Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and today looking forward to sharing with you about the Taskin packing cubes. Now I learned about these cubes on Kickstarter. It was a while ago, and actually I've had these now for a little bit, but I thought finally I had an opportunity to share a video about them. They were a company I knew nothing of, and so glad that I learned more about them. They look like they have some really quality cubes and other products. I'll put a link to these cubes. They're available now for anyone to buy, and if you have any questions, you could check them out, see the reviews that other people have to say about them. You can let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you clicking on the link to check them out. Also, a thumbs up if you find this video of help to you. I love new subscribers, so click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon, so as I put out some new videos, you'll be notified. So let me go ahead and show you the cube. So this is how it came packaged, and there you go. Looks like they really pay attention to detail. So I got the 3-pack. I got a small, medium, and a large size. So the thing about cubes which I've been using for many years, it really helps you keep organized, is that the cubes are good. You have your clothing in there, but then you want the ability to, as far as your dirty clothing, to have a good way to organize that too. So that's what Taskin has done. So they've made a dual system where you could put clean clothing on one side, dirty clothing on the other. They do come in this black here, and also a white if that's what you prefer. And this looks really nice, and I'll share with you some of the details as well. So let me go ahead and take the other two out. So we got the small, the medium, and the large. There you go. And then inside here was this little card. Thanks for choosing Taskin. And even this is a really high quality card. So very cool there. And they are a YKK Zipper. And it looks like the way they've designed the zipper that it shouldn't catch as well. So nothing's worse than having the zipper caught when you're trying to open and close it. So it's got a nice mesh on one side where you can keep your clothing, your clean clothing on one side. And then on the other side, check that out. Then you could put your dirty laundry there. This is kind of like a waterproof type material. And so that would keep stuff stay dry and separate, and very nice. So you got this, again, this is the small, this is the medium, and then the large, which is a really nice size. So you could, again, fit a bunch of stuff on one side. So let's just say you've got your stuff, you're traveling, and just so you can see how easy it is to zip. And what's nice too with the mesh, obviously, you can see clearly items that are in there, like that. And now on this side, so what they've done is like kind of made a compression, so you can expand it, which is nice. And then on this side, let's just say your shorts, these were all dirty. You could put, let's just pretend these are dirty. You can close this up. This stays covered in here. So you've got your clean on one side, your dirty on the other, and then you're good to go. And I like the touch with the blue here. Very nice. And it seems like it's really well made. And I love the quality about them. Let me just share with you a little bit as well on the website. You could see. So the flexible divider allows you to efficiently pack 100%, 4 inches deep on either side of the cube, which is nice. You got a lot of room. 40% more compression zipper allows you to pack more efficiently. New patent anti-catch zipper. Say goodbye to stuck zippers. They have a limited lifetime warranty, and there you go. That gives just a little bit about that. Now, which I had mentioned, on one side you've got the breathable, air fresh for the clothes, and then you have the odor resistant side with waterproof zippers for the dirty clothes. So well done by Taskin. There's different options that you can go with, obviously, and I think that they've done a really nice job. I love how that you can expand that, and if you want, you can even close this up. So if you don't need that extra space, then you can even have it tighter. So This closes up well, and they've got these nice pulleys for the zippers. So it seems like they really did a nice job paying attention to the details. And then, of course, you can order more too. So if you're going on a big trip, you can organize your socks and your underwear, your shirts, your t-shirts, your shorts, long sleeve shirts, sweaters, whatever it might be. So let me know what you think, but nicely done by Taskin. And these will definitely come in handy for me when I go traveling. And appreciate your time. Taskin, nice job. And glad to have learned about you on Kickstarter, which is also a nice thing. You get to learn about companies, both that are new, but also companies that have been around and deliver quality products. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Appreciate your time. Take care.